Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. Today in this video tutorial I will show you how to create Apple ID without your phone number. So as you know, creating Apple ID is usually very difficult or nearly impossible without a phone number. So as you can see right here, can I create an Apple ID without a phone number? You are required to provide a telephone number in order to create an Apple ID. No way around that requirement. However, you can use some other alternatives, but I wouldn't really recommend, which is if you want to go and do this without a phone number. So basically you can use anonymsms.com. This is just one service. There are a bunch of different services where you basically get a free phone number here, and you can use this free phone number to receive text messages. So for example, if I go here, if I use a phone number from United Kingdom, I can basically go and I can basically copy this, and I can go to my Apple ID and put that number, and then I will basically receive a code, right? Here is going to be a code. This is a number that a lot of people use, so in most cases it will be really difficult to use this as an Apple ID number. However, if you really want to create Apple ID without actually using your own phone number, then you can go to this website or websites like this to basically go and use a phone number. So this is basically the only way how you can create Apple ID without a phone number. Again, you will need a phone number either way, so why not just use your own phone number? So that's pretty much it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next video.